Alright, what's up my people? Bet you were missing me. So this next tool is pretty cool. It's called Flippity. Okay, like Flippity Gibbits. It's flippity.net. Okay, and it has different ways that you can gamify your classroom, and it's actually really easy to convert into. Okay, so let's say you find one that you like. So this one, it's new, it's the Word Master, it's Wordle, right? So I hit instructions, and some of them are actually really easy as far as like the template goes, right? Like in this scenario, I'm able to just change things. So if I need more directions, it has it down here. Okay, but for instance, maybe I want my words to be budget, goals with a Z, just kidding, goals with an S, right? So I just put my different words in here, and then I hit generate. Okay, and then at this point, I would just copy this link, and that's what would be what I share with my students. Okay, so usually it's probably a little bit more live. You can also hit the share button down here. It does a very similar thing. There's also QR code version, right? So that's pretty easy. Okay, and then there's other ones that might be a little bit more complicated, right? So like this one, crossword puzzle. Okay, so maybe I hit instructions. Okay, and so if it's a little bit more complicated, it'll usually give you a template, right? So in this scenario, I'd click on this. It would make me create a template for my thing, right? And I would just follow the directions, right? So I can change the words, change the clues, and then it'll tell me I need to go to File, Publish to the Web, then click Publish. Okay, click on the Get the Link Here tab of the template at the bottom, right? So after I've made the changes and I published it, I click the Get the Link Here, and I would copy that link once I've published it. Okay, and then yeah, I would just follow those instructions, and I'd be able to do that directly. Okay, and there's some fun ones on here. You can create like a tournament bracket. You can do certificate things. But yeah, it's pretty simple to use. You could easily make this into a bell ringer if you wanted. So yeah, I think it's a fun one, and gives you some options. And let's be honest, it makes it a little bit less work, right, as far as finding ways to engage with the kids. You don't have to go code anything. You just literally change some words, and then you're good to go. Okay, so good luck. Go have fun.